Sorry.
Kindly type in the chat. If you can hear me, the questions will be typed in the chat as well to assist you.
I can hear you, but I can't make out quite what you're saying. There's a lot of echo in the court.
Yes, there's a lot of echoing, I know, but is this better?
Can you perhaps just slow down a bit when you ask me something?
Certainly. The question was, are you a Christian or a Muslim?
I'm a Christian.
You had his response?
Yes.
Good.
Do you wish to be sworn by the Holy Bible?
I'm quite happy to be sworn. Yes.
Or you want to affirm?
Gee, I'm struggling here. By somebody, I didn't hear who it was.
He had responded to say he's happy to be sworn by the Holy Bible.
So if you have a Bible beside you,
Yes, I do.
you repeat this after me. I,
Hi.
followed by your name, sir.
I'm struggling. Just go slowly. I.
Sorry, my lord. I'm going to suggest we assist him by typing in the chat as she asks the questions, because he does have hearing impairment. It's slightly deaf due to his age. So please type up the questions as he asks. Thank you. Mr. O'Bray, please look at the chat. We're typing up the questions as the courts, the registrar speaks. Okay?
Okay.
So.
Okay, can you hold them up so I can see it complete? This is the oath for Christians. Do you want me to read that out?
No, look at the group chat.
Group chat? What's the group chat?
The chat box.
Oh.
We're typing up the questions to assist you.
I know. I understand. I'm looking for a chat. Oh, there it is there. Got it.
Yes.
You know, I don't do this too often. I'm sorry. Okay, so I've done that. Oh, I see what you want me to do. Okay, you want me to type out my answers?
No.
Can you have pen?
Sorry, my lord. Let him
Just
have pen. Yes, he has a Bible. Okay. He has a Bible there. He's already shown us the Bible.
I've just worked it out. Apologies. I've just worked it out. My name is David William O'Bray.
Excellent. He just said his name. I, David William O'Bray.
Okay. In the name of Almighty God,
I must repeat that.
Yes, Mr.
The
David,
name-
can you repeat what I have sent on the chat box? I'm trying to help you so you can hear the court. So whatever the court says, I'm typing in the chat box, then you have to read it out so that they will take you on record. Do you understand?
Fine. I
Yes,
understand.
so you
now.
just repeat exactly. Thank you.
So I must read that out now.
Yes.
In the name of Almighty God,
that the evidence
that the evidence
I shall give in this case shall be the truth,
that I
the
give in
whole
this
truth and nothing but the truth, so help me God.
shall give this, that the evidence I shall give in this case shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth.
So help me God.
So help me God.
My Lord, the witness has sworn on the Holy Bible.
Thank you, my lord. Mr. O'Bray, sorry, can you tell the court your name and address, please?
My name is David William O'Bray. I live at number 6 Maori Avenue in the village of Cape St. Francis.
Take it easy, I'm writing.
Hold on whilst the court is recording. You can see the my lord, and you can see the pen in her hand. So while she's recording, you hold on until she concludes recording, and then you continue.
I'll try.
So I live at where?
Your address again, please. Mr. O'Brien, could you state your address again?
Yes. My address is number 6 Maori Avenue.
Yes.
In the village of Cape St. Francis.
Yes.
In South Africa.
Okay.
What do you do for a living, Mr. O'Brien?
I'm an electrical engineer.
Yes.
Now, I'm going to refer you to your documents, which I believe you have there with you.
Okay.
Right. On the 26th of July, 2024, and the 11th of November, 2024, you deposed to witness statements on oath. Is that
Yes.
correct?
Correct.
You can identify them by your signature?
Yes.
You want to, I'll raise this so that you can see it from my screen, and then you confirm that it's your document. Can you see it?
Yes. I think that's the one in is it July, May.
The 26th of July,
Yes, that's my
2024.
signature.
That's your
my
signature. All right,
Correct.
thank you very much. And the second document, please pay attention. This is dated 11th of November, 2024. Can you see?
Yes, and that is my signature, yes.
Thank you very much, Mr. Gray. What do you want the court to do with these witness statements?
Go ahead.
this observation that we made. But I think that normally mostly we listen just about our thought. But God is respectful. The amendments amended the of November 2020. 3 months, 3 months,
Let's reply.
Claimant's reply to defendant's amendment. Yeah.
is what about the adopted things.
Yes.
Is that there is a second part. It's not inside the reply.
Hold on, let me record.
Yes.
You say it's not what?
Not reply as a topic because the law limits a reply. Only issues. Only issues. If there is anything
Hold on. Hold on. Because the law limits a reply to answer.
whether it be a statement of defense, be it a written address, the law limits the reply only issues raised either with the statement of defense or the address or the address. Law does not have any for the reply party. Set up new fact, or make a repair case. Issues. Not your, as in this case, on the original statement. Statements are needed for the amendments. And the defendant's amendment statement brings the response to assessment of fire. The issues as stated in paragraph 5D of the reply. 5 raise the new E paragraph 5 of the payment reply E G H paragraph 6A paragraph 6A 6N 6P X yes, no, that's 6P X. Then paragraph 13 and 14 of the reply all new relate to the first defendant, which we are need for that amendment. Contain the claimant's amended statement parts, nor the defendant's nor consequential amended statement. Consequently, we are from the of the reply. Yeah, yes. Not being intended, consequently, it is our application that the affirmation paragraphs of the reply that offends the template of the law. The template of the law, all pick it entirely new issues. This will rely on the case of Ecobank and Mineral Limited. Yes, Ecobank and Mineral Limited. And anchored visual limited products. Anchored hospital as in ANCHO range RAGP. Yes, anchored visual limited products. It was reported in 2016. What however the 2012 report at 4 we also have the case of Musakoni Limited. Musakoni is SMUCE MUSECONI Limited. CONI Limited and Aspina 2013. More prevalent 70745. Then we also reply to the unreported case for this month report, Oka Division. Oka Division. Is suit number NICN slash AWK slash 15 slash 2016. Dr. Daniel C. Chukwurachili and human being identity university. What the government will deliver a learning program. Human being identity university and the government will deliver a learning program. My body is again. It may be called follows the law. The law, the level of the total creativity. Yes, also part of the business excitement. That the law only the addresses as far and noting that several new issues came out of it. This concludes the law. Mr. President, as started down the Supreme Court of many cases, I'm not approaching because it's not yesterday. I want actually to talk this morning with men, brother for claimant. I really pointed out that this our observation to the report. It was I can also be so that everybody be which is
My lord, the matter today is set down for trial. The usual procedure, which we have just started, is that the claimant as a witness is affirmed or sworn. And then proceeds to adopt his written evidence, statement of facts, as he and whatever documentary evidence in support of those facts that he wishes to put before the court. Which my learned friends will have ample opportunity to cross-examine the witness, as to the veracity or otherwise of and documentary or other evidence in support of same. Of his statement or and documentary evidence in support. Of the facts that he wishes to put before this honorable court. This preposterous application, my dear, flies in the face of convention and reason and logic. And of course, the law. The law is conventional, it is reasonable, and it's logical. It was never the intent of any procedure in this court or any court to muzzle a witness. And stop them from adducing facts in support of their case or in defense of in their defense. It is akin to taking to a witness on the stand who may not have given detailed facts is in his or her witness statement, and then proceeds to do so in the course of cross-examination, to then say to that witness, you cannot have these facts. Sorry, my lord. Yes, and being then stopped or stopped from giving additional facts in the court of cross-examination simply because those facts were not in the written witness evidence. The documents my learned friend is objecting to are our reply on behalf of the claimant to theirs on behalf of the claimant to their reply on behalf of the defendant. And in our reply, my lord, the new issues raised by the defendants raised by them were rightly responded to by us. Yeah, probably so. Assuming without conceding that there was any merit at all to this application, my lord. My submission in responses, you fired the first salvo. They fired the first salvo. Salvo, my lord. First missile, first gun, first. Yes, my lord. New issues in their response. Naturally, we had to address those. And that's how all of this came about, my lord. My lord, I believe, not only do I believe, I know that this is the appropriate place for this argument. All of this should be addressed in our written address to the court, as opposed to making a ludicrous application before this honorable court to muzzle a witness from stating facts. I apologize, my lord. Indeed, my lord, that's the appropriate location for this. Indeed. Let the claimant state his facts, cross-examine him. If there's any need for re-examination, then that will proceed in the normal course of events. And whatever we object, we will then deal with it in our addresses. And also, set out our submissions as to the weight of the evidence. So, my lord, we vehemently oppose this application. We urge the court to rightly reject the application. Yes, my lord, and we application for what it really is. The diversionary tactic. I'm with my Excellent. You don't have to edit that something. Apologies, my lord. I just. So my lord, prior to the application by my friend and my lord's considered ruling, the witness had identified his witness statement, an additional witness statement on oath. Mr. Bray, can you hear me?
I can hear you clearly.
Excellent. Now, before the learned friend and I, evidence now, okay?
Sorry, there was a gap there in
Do you
transmission.
understand that, Mr. Bray?
I beg your pardon.
Excellent. Now, you identified two documents, one being
Yes.
your witness statement on oath, dated the 26th of July 2024, and the second Mr. Bray, what would you like the court to do with these documents?
I would like the Honourable Court. Sorry, I would like the Honourable Court to adopt these as my evidence in this matter.
You heard him. My lord, his witnesses. Thank you, my lord.
I heard that. I would like the court to adopt both witness and additional witness statement as my evidence.
Indeed, my lord.
Correct.
Now, Mr. Bray, in your evidence before the court, you referred to some documents. Can you identify those documents?
Yes, would you like me to do them individually, or shall I read through the list of documents I have, or you have?
Individually, please.
Individually. The first document
Identify the documents individually, please.
You individually. I'm just saying the first document.
Yes.
Pivots letter dated the 11th of May 2001.
Yes. 11th of May 2001.
11th of May?
The 11th of May 2001.
Okay.
The second document is Pivot's letter dated the 22nd of November 2001. The third document is Pivot's letter.
The 22nd of November 2001, I noticed what he said.
So continue.
Mr. Bray, please watch the code on your screen. When my load is recording, hold on until the pen stops.
Let's just see the writing.
Okay. Go ahead.
I'm a little bit inexperienced in this, you know.
Go ahead. What's the third document?
Can I carry on?
Yes, go ahead. Carry on.
Thank you. Document number 3 is Pivot's letter of notice of cessation dated 24th of October 2018. Okay.
What's the fourth document?
Document number 4 and 5 is Pivot GIS offer of contract of employment dated the 1st of January 2019.
What's the title of that document? Did you get that?
Reference to 4 and 5, which is
Yes, number 4.
number 4, letter of engagement.
Letter of engagement. Okay.
Yes, my lord.
Letter of contract of employment.
And then number 5 is offer of contract.
Yes.
Is that right, Mr. Bray?
Correct. Yes.
So the
What's the date?
letter of engagement is dated the 24th day of. Oh, the one I'm seeing.
Document number 6.
No, Mr. Bray, my lord is still on 4 and 5.
Document number 4 is letter of engagement. 1st of January 2019.
Correct.
Yes.
Okay. Document number 5.
Okay. Your documents numbers 4 and 5.
Yes.
Kindly identify them to the code.
It was dated the 1st of January 2000, but it was received on the 16th of May 2019. That was number 5.
What is the name of the document? What is the title?
It was offer of contract of employment. There were 2 documents. One was 1st of January, one was 16th of May.
th of May, 16th May.
16.
Indeed, my lord.
So that's the offer of contract.
Offer of employment. Contract of employment, sorry. Contract of employment.
Contract of employment.
Offer of contract of employment.
Yes.
Document number 6.
Number 6.
What, my lord, if I may just clarify on document number 5. What was the date on the document that you're tendering before this court? The offer of contract of employment, what is on the actual document before you?
The date is 1st of January 2019.
1st of January 2019, my lord. Thank you.
That's what I have.
Now, document number 6, please.
Document number 6 is Pivot GIS's letter of renewal of contract of service dated the 7th of February 2020.
Document number 7.
Document number 7. It's
Sorry, document number 7.
Yes, it's Pivot's emails. There are 2 of them. My outstanding leave days dated the 9th of July 2015 and the 11th of July 2016. 2 documents.
Document number 8.
Document number 8 is my email to the MD of Pivot PES, Pivot Energy Services, confirming our discussion dated the 23rd of October 2020.
Document number 9.
Document number 9 is Primera Africa's letter, limited letter of demand to PES dated the 11th of November 2020.
Yeah. Document number 10.
Document number 10 is Pivot GIS's letter of response to document number 9, undated.
Document number 11.
Document number 11 is PAL's further letter of demand to PES dated the 18th of January 2021.
Document number 12.
Document number 12, there are in fact 2. There's document number 12 and document number 13. It is the Discovery Medical Health Scheme acceptance contract on my application. And secondly, the tax certificate.
Secondly, the what?
The second one is the tax certificate confirming how much I paid in
Tax
subscription.
certificate.
Tax, TAX.
Health certificate, I beg your pardon.
Yeah.
Health.
So document number 12 is the Discovery Medical Health Scheme.
Yes, it's my acceptance for my application.
It refers to 12 and 13.
Document 13 is a health insurance certificate.
Yes.
Let's go to document number 14.
Number 14 is Pivot GIS's letter of response to document 11, dated the 22nd of January 2021.
Okay.
Okay,
Document number 15.
Number 15 is
Yes.
PAL's, that's Primera Africa Limited, final letter of demand to PES dated the 25th of February 2021.
Document number 16.
Document number 16 is Pivot's letter to Primera Africa Limited dated the 24th of September 2021.
Okay. Document number 17.
Document number 17 is a bundle of various emails sent to the claimant.
Okay.
One more. Document number 18 is,
Okay.
is the certificate of identification of electronics evidence pursuant to the Evidence Act 2011. That completes documents.
Mr. Gray,
Yes.
having identified documents, some of these documents are photocopies of the original. What happened to the originals?
They were lost. And I made several attempts to retrieve the original copies, but all my efforts have been in vain. However, I have electronic copies of all the above documents.
Okay.
I know we now seek to tender the documents identified by the witness.
Will not be objecting to the admissibility of this document except the document numbered 16 12 16 5 yes, my lord.
Okay.
Lord, for the document number 2, Lord, it is titled the first. That's what I'm saying. Yes, no, that's what I'm because we don't need. If you don't need what they say,
So document number 16, it is titled what?
Yes, in order to expedite the process and save time on board, we admit those that are not objecting, and then we take those that he's raising.
He has mentioned 3 documents, 12, 16, and 5.
The others can be admitted.
We are objecting to those ones.
Progress.
The ones objective. You like identify and this one's
This one are not going to be Are you not going to be
it's not
It's not
Let's admit those for tidiness.
Anyway, what we do here, it will admit all the documents, even those under protest. You raise them at the final return.
Has the
Yes. So I've noted the documents you're objecting to 12, 16, 5. Anyway, when I'm marking them, you can always draw my attention. And I'll put, yeah, we'll mark it accordingly.
12, 5.
much tidier process, my lord.
Yeah, that's part of it. Yes. 16.
And just
Let me see your checklist.
the way it's listed on the list of documents.
There's no alteration. Replace the number. Yes. It wasn't scattered. The ways I said would have moved. Yes. Yeah, their positions.
One more thing. Just one more thing.
Okay. Right. Do you have the case to move? Yeah, this case to move.
Yeah, we can call it.
That is when I look at the people together, your strong confess scattered.
We don't have the interest. But it's the piece.
I've said that.
Yes, Dr. Wow. Thank you. The offer of appointment dated 11th May 2001 is marked as Exhibit C1. Information letter dated 22nd November 2001 marked as Exhibit C2. Notice of revision of contract dated 24th of October 2018 marked as Exhibit C3. Letter of engagement to work with Business Development Department of Pivot GIS Limited, dated 24th of January, 24th of October 2018. Document number 4 is not here.
Yes, that's right. What the witness was. Document number 4, 5, and 7. Stated 1st of January.
Okay, document number 4 and 5, the same document.
All the engagement and the offer.
Yes. dated 1st of January. Okay, so that's marked as Exhibit C4. Renewal of contract of service dated February 7, 2020, marked as Exhibit C5. Email correspondence dated 9th of July, 2015. Eleventh of July, 2016. Marked as Exhibit C6. The email dated 23rd of October, 2020. Marked as Exhibit C7. The demand letter dated 11th of November, marked as Exhibit C8. Undated demand letter of 11th November 2022, acknowledging the debt for the unused leave and conservation. It's marked as Exhibit C9. Demand letter dated 18th January, marked as Exhibit C10. Discovery Health Scheme. The document is dated 22nd of June, 2021. That's the document, because the list of documents wasn't dated. Okay. So that's Exhibit C11. The two-page document, right? Yes, Exhibit C11. I'm going to staple it together. Then Discovery Health Medical Scheme Payment Certificates. 11-page document. It's marked as exhibit. C12. The letter dated 22nd of January 2021 is marked as exhibit C13. Demand letter dated 25th February 2021 marked as exhibit C14.
14. 14.
Defendant's letter of 24th September 2021 is marked as exhibit C15. Certificate of identification. Certificate of identification marked as exhibit C16. This
The bundle of email needed in the reply.
is it okay? It's listed in the reply.
Additional document.
Okay, but it's not listed in the schedule of documents.
Listed in our schedule of additional documents.
The schedule of additional documents. Okay.
Our reply.
Okay. Dated 8th of November 2024. So this is marked as exhibit C16. Sorry, exhibit C17. There's another certificate of identification. Is it the same? Okay. So I'm going to strike this one. Nika, give me the two witness statement on oath. Nika. So the witness adopted his written statement on oath of 26 July 2024, an additional witness statement on oath of 11 November 2024, today the 13th day of November 2024. Also, CW1 tendered 17 numbered documents as his exhibits. They were admitted in evidence and marked as Exhibit C1 to Exhibit C17. The court notes that Exhibit C12, C16, and C5 are admitted under protest today, the 13th day of November 2024.
This is a bit simple. That is discovering certificate. The entire body of documents discovery certificate is 12. Then the C5 equals C15. That's the letter. Yes, ma'am. C5 equals C12.
C5 is the renewal of contract. Let's look at Exhibit C5. That's the renewal of contract of service.
No, my lord, it's the letter, except I made a mistake. It's the letter dated 1st of January 2019.
Okay, it is listed as number 5, but it is marked as Exhibit C4.
Then C5 and C15. C15 is the letter dated 2nd of September 2021.
C15, yes, the letter dated 27th of September 2021 is listed as number 16, but marked as Exhibit C15. And number 2 of the document number 2 of Discovery Health Medical
11.
Scheme is marked as Exhibit C11. Are we together?
Yes. First, I have two discovery that is 2-page document, and the other one 11-page document,
Yes.
which are exhibits 11 and 12. 11 and 12.
I think the 2-page document, where is the exhibit? Give me Exhibit C11. The 2-page document is Exhibit C11.
And the short skills.
Are we together?
So my objection will then cover exhibits 11 and 12, but taking them at one time.
Exhibit C11 and 12. And which other one?
And 15. If for if 11 and 12, if 15.
No.
Mr. Aubrey, can you hear me?
I can hear you clearly, yes.
Excellent. The documents you tendered before the Honorable Court have been admitted by the court, subject to an objection on a number of them. So, but that will be dealt with later on, just to bring you, explain the process to you.
Thank you.
Now, returning to your evidence, what would you want the court to do for you at the end of this proceedings?
No, I want this honorable court to grant me my claims.
It says, I want this honorable court to grant me my claim.
Okay.
I'm grateful, my lord. That's the end of the relationship. Mr. Bray, depending on the convenience of the court, you will now be cross-examined by the counsel for the defendant. Your examination in chief has concluded. Do you understand? Can you hear me?
Me?
Yes?
I understand it's completed, yes.
All right. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
The cross-examination. We have 12 minutes.
Well, I may not finish how well but at least let's say begin. Mr. Brisa. Mr. Brisa.
Good afternoon.
Okay. Now, you have never been an employee of the fourth defender. Yes or no?
Sorry, I didn't pick that up, I'm afraid. There's a lot of echo there. Apologies.
The question is, you, Mr. Bray, have never been an employee of the fourth defender. Yes or no?
I'm afraid I didn't get that. Please, can we do this? I just, can you help me, somebody? I don't get that.
Mr. Bray, we're going to be typing up the questions in the group message chat again, so that you can read it along with. See if this will help you. Because I'm going to be hearing this.
Thank you. Can you hear me, sir?
Yes.
The question is that you have never been an employee of the fourth defendant, Honeywell Group. Yes or no?
Never been an employee of the fourth.
Of the fourth defendant, of the fourth defendant.
The fourth defendant is the Honeywell Group. No,
yes,
no,
Honeywell Group.
I have not had an employment directly with them, no.
Sorry, sir. Hello, sir.
The answer to that question is, well, I have never had a contract with the fourth defendant. Oh, sorry, the fourth defendant. I apologize. The fourth defendant is the Honeywell Group.
Yes, sir.
No, I have not had a direct contract with the Honeywell Group.
Well, he has never been an employee of the fourth defendant.
Next.
Yes. At paragraph 12 of your written statement on oath. Can you hear me, sir?
No. I don't want to be disrespectful. I'm finding it difficult. It's very loud and it's echoing. That is the problem.
Okay. They are typing for you also so that you can.
Okay, I'm reading over
whether the voice can project.
paragraph 12.
Sir, can you hear me now?
I can hear you. I'm actually reading the chat lines over here. So,
okay, now the question is, do you stand by paragraph 12 of your written statement on oath dated 26 July rather, 2024?
Number 12. Is this the one, the first defendant found my service to be satisfactory, which led us to an amicable withdrawal of my contract?
No, the portion that says that you stepped down from your position as managing director of the first defendant at the end of February 2013. You confirm that position?
I was employed by the first defendant.
No, I'm not talking about employment, sir. I'm not talking about employment here. We'll get there.
Do I stand by the written statement?
Yes.
Paragraph 12. It's in front of me.
Yes. You stand by.
I stand by that clause. Yes.
Okay. No, paragraph 12, my lord. I stand by paragraph 12.
That's paragraph 4.
No, 12.
Go ahead.
Now, is the instruction, the alleged instruction? Can you hear me, sir?
There's an instruction.
Okay. Is the alleged instruction to remain on the alleged instruction by the chairman of the first defendant to you to remain on the same terms and conditions of service as a letter of confirmation dated 22nd November 2001, part of your exhibit before this court?
I need some clarity on that.
Now,
that again.
The alleged instruction referred to in paragraph 12 of your oath, is it part of your exhibit in this court? The documents you have tendered before.
Yes, it's what I said there. I stand by that. That it was agreed at the meeting.
Sir, I'm not asking what was agreed at the meeting. My question is that instruction part of your exhibit before this court? Yes or no?
Yes.
He said yes.
He said yes. He said yes.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Now, you have the exhibit before you. The documents you have tendered before this court. You have it with you.
Well, I've got lots of documents before me. Yes.
You've got all the documents before you.
Sorry, which documents? There are so many I have here.
Yeah, you listed 17 documents that we admitted. 17 documents, you have them before you.
Document 37.
I see. Yes, I see. Okay, well, let's see. Okay. Hello, sir.
Yes, I'm listening.
Okay. Now, the sentence, can you please look at it, sir? Oh, okay. So let me move on because whatever doesn't change the situation.
Apologies.
Sir,
Are we?
no, sorry, sir. Let me ask another question. We are moving on, sir. I apologize to you, sir. Hello, sir.
Yes, I have all the listed documents in front of me. Yes.
Now, okay. Of the documents you have before you, 1 to 17.
Yes.
So, which number is the alleged instruction you said was given to you?
You mean that the instructions to continue with my benefits?
Yes.
None of them.
Okay, said none. So I said none. Okay, now, sir. Sir, does the letter of appointment, that's the letters dated 11th of May and 22nd of November 2001,
yes,
contain your condition of service with the first defendant? The first defendant is Pivot Engineering, sir.
Yes, I understand which one you're talking about.
Yes, the letter dated 11th of May.
Excuse me, I just don't understand.
Why you?
I don't
2001, sir.
I've got both those letters in front of me.
Those are exhibits for clarity. C1 and C2. Those are exhibits C1 and C2.
So the question is, does the letter of appointment contain conditions of service?
No, the question is, does, yes. One is the letter of appointment and the other is the letter of confirmation. This is exhibit C1 to C2. Now, the question is, if those exhibits contain his conditions of service, the first defendant. Sir.
I'm struggling. I'm sorry to say. I have both letters here you're referring to. I simply don't understand the question. I'm sorry to say that. I have both letters over here.
Yes, sir. The question is, okay. The company, the letters by Pivot Engineering to you, Pivot letter to you, i.e. 11th May 2001 and 22nd November 2001.
Both those letters were Pivot Engineering, yes.
They contain the condition of service.
Well, there were two different appointments. One was acting, and the other one was MD. So there are two different letters.
Yes, sir.
And as the second letter, the 22nd of November, I carried on up until.
Sir, you are not getting me, sir.
I know I'm not getting you.
Yes, I need you to get me. These two letters, the one for acting and the one for confirmation, contain your conditions of service. True or false?
I think we'll take an adjournment. Let him rest tomorrow morning.
Sorry?
No, sir, don't worry. We'll come back tomorrow, sir.
About it because there's simply too much echoing around there, and no disrespect to you, sir, but I just can't gather what you're saying, and I've got both letters, and I can answer whatever you want. It's echo.
You have tomorrow.
We have tomorrow.
Yes, my lord.
If we can come early.
Maybe you can get the question into making the question. I've just seen
it tomorrow so that because
I'm so
Let him
sorry.
rest.
I understand that what they did is because I witnessed
So we can leave the meeting then.
Why would I do that?
Okay. Well, I'm sure there'll be some discussion taking place shortly.
Yes, he's still trying.
Please tell him to check the chat box. We'll continue tomorrow.
Sir, you can leave the meeting. We are continuing tomorrow, sir.
Okay, thank you. I've just got to find the right button to push here. I will leave the meeting. Okay.
As it called, yes. Thank you, sir. Yes. But do we come in the morning? Okay. Yes. If we, I'm sure we should be done with his own cross examination before 10. Yes. Yes. We should be done. As it pleases the court, we will come by the grace of God. Yes. As the court.
Yeah. So that's 10:30.